In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive Printify product. By the end, you'll know how to hide a product from your store and how to safely archive the design files you used so you can bring them back later if needed. First, open your web browser and search for Printify. This is the safest way to reach the official site without typing the URL wrong. In the search results, click the official Printify link to head to the homepage. Once you're there, log into your account. Use the same credentials you normally do and complete any two-factor prompts if they appear. After you're in, go straight to the My Products section. This is where all your active and draft products live, and it's the quickest place to manage what shows on your connected stores. Find the product you want to remove from public view. When you hover over it, you'll see a three dots icon labeled More Actions. Click that menu. From the options, choose Hide on Sales Channel. The sales channel name will match wherever the product is published, like your e-commerce platform. Hiding it removes the product from that storefront so customers can't see or buy it, but it doesn't delete the product in Printify. This is great if you're pausing seasonal designs or cleaning up your catalog without losing your setup and variants. Now, an important note. Printify doesn't offer a full archive button for the entire product entry. However, you can archive the design files that power the product. This helps you keep your file library tidy while preserving the ability to restore those assets later. To do that, navigate to Account, then select My Files. This is your asset library for mockups, artwork, and print files. Browse or search for the images you used with that product. Select the files you want to store away, then choose Archive. Archiving moves these files out of your active list, reducing clutter and helping you avoid accidentally reusing outdated designs. Don't worry, archived files aren't gone. You can still download them later and recreate the product if you decide to relaunch it. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Hiding a product won't affect any orders that are already in progress. If the product is connected to multiple sales channels, repeat the hide action for each channel you want to remove it from. And before archiving files, confirm they're not shared across other active products to avoid unintended changes. That's it. You've hidden the product from your store and archived the associated files for safekeeping, keeping your catalog clean without losing your work.